Hey, this is Brian Gamardelli here with MarineMax Huntington. Today we're going to take a walkthrough video on Boston Whaler's flagship vessel, a 2025 Boston Whaler 42 Outrage. This boat is powered by triple 600 outboards, top speed of 62 miles per hour, and a comfortable high cruise of around 45 to 48 miles per hour. This boat is equipped with a seatkeeper, which is your gyro, a generator, and we're going to go through the back of the cockpit here and get into everything so you can see what this boat has to offer. Starting off here at the transom, you got a few rod holders in the back. Your dive ladder is stored under this folding transom seat, so you can comfortably fit 3 adults when underway, or if you want to lounge and socialize, you got your table posts here on the floor, which once we get into the bilge area, we'll get into those tables. A really nice option on this boat, these engines are color matched to the hull. So this is a real showstopper on the water, and it's going to turn a lot of heads. So on your starboard side, you have a nice fold down seat. So when you have everything, the tables are set. Now you got a nice conversational area here. Everything folds away nicely so they don't get any sun damage. And they have these nice straps to tie in. So when you're underway, nothing's going to pop out. So let's get into our bilge compartment. This is an area that I really would like to talk about. So your tables stowed here, 1 and 2, beautifully finished teak tables here. You got 2 posts. They go in your receptacles here on top of the hatch. Now this boat has a lot of technology, a lot of complications, but as always, Boston Whaler keeps it simple, easy on the eyes down here so you're not overwhelmed. Your bilge pumps and your through hulls, you got a fire system there. Your seatkeeper is a little more forward, just under here. Your batteries, your circuitry, fuel pumps, fuel filters. On our aft port side, you got a very large live well here. Hold this up for you. Also nice back here, your pump out is located in the rear. Slightly more forward on starboard, you got on port rather, you got a wonderful heavy duty dive door. Something always with Whaler you want to notice, your heavy duty hinges, your sealed hatches, everything is watertight, heavy duty. And this door clicks into place. You got a little rubber female and male here, and that's not going to pop out at all. So your dive ladder that's stored under your transom bed sheet hooks into the female receptacle here, folds over. You got a nice grab handle when you're coming out of the water. You got something to grab to. Now let's talk about fish boxes, because this, if you're going to buy this boat, you're probably fishing. So you got port and starboard fish boxes, very large, macerated. So you could easily fit a few yellowfin, some bluefin in here. Behind our second row helm seat, got a nice isotherm. So our second row helm seating, 3 adults comfortably, dedicated air conditioning below. Got 6 vents there. When you want to transfer this to fishing mode, that folds in and locks into place. Now you've got a clear, nice cockpit area. When I want to go back to socializing and entertaining, you got a nice grill, a sink. I like to keep this area open when I'm fishing. You got knife holders here, put your leader here. So we put your spools on there, lock them into place. A little storage for some, Joe shoots or whatever lures you're using. A second live well here. And you got all your controls here. So you got your freshwater wash down, your live well pumps, courtesy lights, and then you got an aft sunshade. So this white bar here, they have sunshade is stowed in out of the sun, out of the elements, so no saltwater buildup on the telescoping sunshade there. And you can operate that from here as well as from the helm. You got 3-drawer tackle storage. You got an insert for the sink. So here we are at the helm area. You got triple helm seats. The captain's is electrically actuated, so go forward and back, up and down. You got very heavy duty bolsters here. As you can see, with nice wood accent armrests. If you prefer standing when you're running, Boston Whalers solved that problem. This gives you about 6 inches of lift. And then your port side passenger has a nice footrest as well. So on the helm here, you got your joystick control as always, 2 large Simrad screens. You've got a bow thruster as well. So 42 foot, you do have the joystick and the bow thruster. You have access to your windshield vent, your wipers, your washers, your floodlights, your underwater lights, and your windlass. You got nice dry storage above. Your Seakeeper, you could operate all of that within these 2 Simrad screens. You do have a dedicated Seakeeper display above here as well, but again, you could turn that on and off through the Simrad. So both on your port and starboard side, you've got 2 trolling seats. One here and one over there. Again, more additional storage here. This is where your hot and cold water wash down. More storage. Now let's make our way up to the bow. And as always, everyone knows storage is everything on a boat. So Whaler utilizes as much space as possible. Find a lot of storage in the gunnels. Nice grab rails all around, so you always can grab on something. So you've got a triple person sunbed here with foldable armrests. Simply pull the tab. Cup holders integrated in each one. More storage. Your bow area seating, these will turn into lounges. So these will elevate up to about 45-50 degrees, so you can lounge and face forward when you need. Rod holders all around the boat. Got 6 at the bow. Here's your windlass. Your windlass is controlled at the helm, or if you choose to have a passenger operate the windlass, you can do it from here. Just like we saw on the port side, we have the same mirroring over here on the starboard side. Now this boat is equipped with FLIR, so you do have night vision capability. You do have radar on this boat, an open array, which is nice. Let's make our way to the cabin and see what's inside. So here we are in the cabin of the 42 Outrage. You'll notice all the nice wood finishes down here. You have a beautiful skylight up there that does have blinds. So if you prefer some privacy, simply pull that over. For right now, I'll raise all the blinds here. You got a nice opening porthole if you prefer some cross ventilation. Tons of storage in this boat. Every cabinet, storage. So this is your 120 volt power panel. Your battery switches and your engine switches, as well as your generator control. We got a nice high-low table here that is electrically actuated. So when you prefer, fold it out, raise it up, and you could have a nice dining session. You have a filler cushion, so when you want to stay the night, simply fold that down, fold this up, locks into place. You got a little more room for your legs and feet down there. You got awesome rod storage. So you clip in here, Tips of the rods go in those holes. Let's talk about our galley here. It's got a nice sink. It's corner countertop. Fairly large sink, really. Tons of storage, wine bottles, drinks, things like that. Again, more storage in your cabinets. Another isotherm. Nice sliding area for your garbage can. From a maintenance perspective, you have this nice hatch here. So this is access to your pump for the shower. There's a strainer in there to catch any hair, things like that. Whenever that clogs up, simply pop up this plastic lid, pull the strainer out, clean it out, put it back together, and you're back to business. And as we enter the head here, it is a wet head. You've got plenty of standing room. I'm about 6 feet, and you could definitely fit around 7 feet in here standing up, which is nice. A nice mirror, a window for ventilation, and obviously your hot and cold water. And if you needed to get up top to the hardtop, we got nice steps, powder coated black. Above here, you can see your open array radar, your FLIR system, and this boat is equipped already with outriggers. Again, my name is Brian Guillermardella. Thank you for joining us on this walkthrough video of our 2025 Boston Whaler 42 Outrage. If you are interested in this boat or would like to know more, contact us here at MarineMax Huntington, 631-424-2710.